India ranked fourth most powerful country in Asia.
India is the fourth most powerful country in Asia as per the Lowy Institute Asia Power Index 2021. The annual Asia Power Index, launched by the Lowy Institute in 2018, measures resources and influence to rank the relative power of states in Asia. The project maps out the existing distribution of power as it stands today and traffic shifts in the balance of power over time. India is ranked as a middle power in Asia. As the fourth most powerful country in Asia, India again falls short of the major power threshold in 2021. Its overall score declined by 2 points compared to 2020. India is one of 18 countries in the region to trend downward in its overall score as 2021, the report said. The country performs best in the future resources measure, where it finishes behind only the US and China. However, the lost growth potential for Asia's third largest economy, due largely to the impact of the coronavirus pandemic, has led to a diminished economic forecast for 2030. India finishes in fourth place in four other measures: economic capability, military capability, resilience, and cultural influence. India is trending in opposite direction for its two weak measures of power. On the one hand, it ranks in seventh place in its defense networks, reflecting progress in its regional defense diplomacy, notably with the quadrilateral security dialogue, which includes Australia, Japan, and the US. On the other hand, India has slipped into the eighth position for economic relationships as it falls further behind in regional trade integration efforts. As per the report, many developing economies, including India, have been hardest hit in comparison to their pre COVID growth paths. This has the potential to reinforce bipolarity in the Indo Pacific, driven by the growing power differential of the two superpowers, the US and China, in relation to nearly every other emerging power in the region. The top 10 countries for overall power in the Asia Pacific region are the US, China, Japan, India, Russia, Australia, South Korea, Singapore, Indonesia, and Thailand.